Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In today's video I have a 2019 Hyundai Kona. It's the petrol version and I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the coil packs. Now a lot of people believe this is a hard job to do, but actually it couldn't be any simpler. Come over to the driver's side of the vehicle, open up the door fully, just come down into the footwell and pull this lever here to open up the bonnet. Come around to the front of the car. Just above the Hyundai badge there's a lever. Push that to the left and open up the bonnet. We're going to be putting this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once you're confident the bonnet is safe and secure, just come to the centre of the engine bay and you notice this plastic cover. Just give that a pull on all four corners. Lift it up and put that aside. Now these are our 4 coil packs. So all we're going to do, get the grey clip, slide that to the back, angle it slightly, and that will allow us to take off the electrical connection. Now unfortunately I don't have a 10mm spanner with me or socket set, but you'll undo this 10mm socket and you'll just pull the coil pack out as straight as you can, lift it straight up. That'll expose where the spark plug is. Get your new coil pack, push it on, send it all the way home, making sure it clicks on top of the spark plug. Do the 10mm bolt up and then get your electrical connection, push it all the way down and make sure you lock the back plastic clip in. Now the plastic cover just goes all the way over, click it down, 4 corners, and that's it. That's how easy it is to remove and replace a coil pack. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumb up and subscribe to my channel.